Hello everybody, today is a beautiful day. It's so nice. Not everybody started to do barbecue. I smell outside, everybody cook. This barbecue, you need something salad. And we got pasta tuna salad. And I got over here the farfalle. Look how beautiful. And we need farfalle, pepper. The pepper, make sure the wash good to get salty. I got a dry oil olives, black. I got a tuna, basil, oregano. This oregano is from my garden every year. Almost now I gotta do it again. Now I got the celery. The celery with the peeled potato, I take everything out. Cause when you take it out, it's really the string. You gotta take out when you eat. We got a nice tomato, we got a red onion, and we got garlic. And we got vinegar, and we got oil. And before we start, everybody, let's say salute e chin chin, and let's drink with me a little wine or beer. The beer started to be really good now, because everybody do barbecue. Chin chin, salute. Okay, now for start, let's move everything like this out over here. Okay, the celery I keep like this, the pasta, the sauce, and the pepper. And let's start to do with the pasta. And let's put right on this big bowl of the pasta. Okay, nice. Now we gotta start to chop everything.
Carol sent you some stars.
Oh, say, yeah. Chin chin e saluto for the star. Thank you so much for the star. Chin chin. All right. And we put a pepper. Okay, good. Now we got the olives. Okay, and we done this, and we mix a little bit like that. Now we got parsley. Okay, and we got the tuna. This is done. Now, what do we got to do? We chop the celery, and we do like this. I pick it up the celery and I want to split in half. Like that. Okay. And now, let's chop.
Hey, if you're enjoying the show, please hit the like button and share the live stream. It really helps us out a lot. Thank you so much.
You see how nice when you take the string out, you peel the celery. It's so nice when you cut with the knife. No problem at all. Okay. Get the celery. Okay, and we got it like this. Now we got the onion. We take this little piece out. And the onion. Okay, and we got the onion.
It's a yellowfin tuna fillet in spring water.
All right, now we got the garlic. And the garlic, what I do, I want to do like this.
Hey, Michelle, thanks for the support and sending those stars. Appreciate that.
Thank you very much. I chop this garlic and we drink a little wine. And we got a garlic. All right. And now we want to do little salute chin chin and thank you for the start. Chin chin, salute. Look, a beautiful day today. But today, oh boy, I did a lot of work. I was power wash a house. Chin chin and salute.
Does anybody need their house power washed?
And thank you for the start. Okay, now we got a tomato. And the tomato, what I do, cut in half. Nice. Soon I'll be my tomato. I plant the other tomato ready. You see, I watch you and you chop my finger. What? Right?
Yeah, it looks good.
You see, the knife, you gotta go on the finger like this.
It's just automatic?
A lot of people, they put the finger like this, you go, beep. Okay, I'm not got enough to make anymore.
Hey, Kathleen, thanks for picking up that book. Thank you.
Okay, now the tomato.
They said, Janine said, you're scaring her with the knife.
All right, now, okay, this is the jar for the tuna. And now, let's put the ball right over here. And we need a little oregano. And I want to ask the people, the oregano, what do you, when you do oregano, what do you do with the flour? You know, you got the leaves, and you got the flour in the middle. What do you use, the flour or the leaves? You say, this I don't know too much, but I want to know the people, everybody, what you say. Use the flour or the leaves? Thank you. Let me know, please. Oh, this is seal. My wife, she tricked me. I was thinking she opened already. Look at this. Okay. Thank you, Eva.
Well,
now oil.
one person said flour, another person said flour. They learned from you to use the flour.
Thank you very much. The flour. The leaves. Everybody buy leaves, but the flour, I use flour. Okay, now the vinegar. Okay. Okay, now we need a little salt. And we use a little black pepper. Okay, black pepper. All right. And now we give a good mix on the pasta.
Looks good.
Oh, it smells so good.
So to store it, you would keep it in the fridge until you're ready to eat, I guess?
Yeah, you can keep it in the refrigerator for a little while. And like this, one of the short rib ready, hamburger, a chicken or steak of a barbecue, boom, and you got a nice pasta salad.
Can't wait for those burgers.
Well, hey, take your time. I'm making hamburger, no worry about it. Okay. Now, I want to taste. I want to see if it's good enough of salt, everything. little salt. That's all. The vinegar good, the oil is good. Okay, look at beautiful salad. Now, I put this in the refrigerator for a little while, and I gotta start to put the barbecue on, and we gotta make a hamburger. And we eat hamburger with a pasta salad, a nice glass of wine, chin chin e salute, and thank you so much for the star. Chin chin, salute, and so somebody make this, let me know. And maybe you can show it to me, send it to me like this. I say to everybody, it's a really delicious dish. Pasta, tuna, chin chin, salute, and we see next time. Chin chin, and thank you for the star.